Double kill. Triple kill.
Another one.
A bit of arbitrariness.
Legendary. Double kill.
A few moments later.
There's no way that you make
Now
it.
begins the punishment.
Killing spree.
Begins the punishment.
Killing spree.
Nice.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
The show is on.
Request backup!
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah,
All this overthinking.
First blood!
Oh, I'm with no
Enemy has been slain!
take me to the world of silver. No more heartbreaks, these painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
Launch attack!
Get me out of now.
Launch attack! Launch attack!
Get me out of now.
Request backup! Kill!
My choice is in
Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now.
That's it. Heavy tricks. That's it.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, no waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They block your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction cause you hold the power. for as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it.
Launch attack!
Maybe you can fake it, but you never gonna make it. You just gotta take that. Take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Launch attack! An enemy has been slain. Request backup.
Or will you fucking fight back?
Your team destroyed the turret. An ally has slain the turtle.
You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and the better that you face it. Thinking that they're giving them, you're not looking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying. I'm not that way, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you're just fake. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud, you better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make
Now
it.
begins the punishment.
Maybe you can
Killing spree.
fake it,
Has been slain.
but you never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back.
Request
Don't
backup.
tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
This suits me.
Fight back.
Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed the turret. Your team destroyed the turret. Launch attack.
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. And I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick. And I'm gone, it's just a matter of time before I'm over the line and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10s, I'm so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never profit, got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, then I stuck it. Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest, dark bitch, watching. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch, poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm popping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the map, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack, no we act, no we act. Think I'm black, talking that, while I rap, not the step. Throwing jab, even grip, wearing bands of the man. Got a plan better than both brands, goddamn. I'm a rhyme till I die, never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy, yes and nah, that I'm right, yeah.
Watch my blade.
Yeah, I've been in and out and yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose one. Well, here I go, all these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All the social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, and I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion and that's when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening, I'm raising my status. Facing the madness, I'm out gaining traction. Avoid the distractions, I'm snapping. No captions, attracting reactions. Adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking ask it. I just fucking grab it, I am never static. Massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to have it. So I will